In this video, I'm going to be highlighting the time aspect of the Share This View tool. So I covered the overview of the Share This View tool in a previous video, but for this one, I'm specifically going to be looking at this time section. So before the user creates the URL, they can customize the time aspect of the scenario that they're looking at the map. So by default, time is turned on. They can toggle time on or off. Time is turned on, and it's set to the date and time at which the URL was made. So every time I open this link, it's always going to open to September 25th at 2 p.m. If the user would like to save this scenario, but always open the scenario to at whatever time they open the link, they can go ahead and turn this off, and that time will not be preserved in the link. The user can also customize which time they would like to save. So if they would like to save the 24th at 2 p.m., they can go ahead and select that with the calendar tool. And then as a fourth option, the user can also select a relative time. So let's say the user would like to set up a scenario at which they would like to check the conditions 6 hours in the future. So they can set this value to 6. And this scenario will always open to be 6 hours in the future. So if I open this right now, September 25th at 2 p.m., the scenario would show September 25th at 8 p.m. And likely, similarly, the user can also set this number to be negative, and it will always open the scenario to be 6 hours into the past if they choose this option.